Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 39. To start off, we'll go to File, New, open a new part template, and let's go to the sketch and create the sketch. So let's select the front plane to start doing the sketch. And we can start doing this particular profile, and then we can extrude it and then do a rectangle, do a fillet, and finally give this support here. So let's start doing the sketch here. Control middle mouse button, I'm just keeping it here. As we don't have any much symmetric work in this, on this particular profile, for that reason I'm just going to create a sketch from this origin. So we have a random sketch here, so let's start constraining it. The thickness is 10 everywhere, so we can just mention 10 everywhere. And this is 10. This is 10. And this is 10. Okay. Now distance from this to this is 75, so let's mention 75. This is 55. Okay, so it's not required to mention, so it's fine. Now the overall length is 135. So now we are just going to create, or we are just going to continue dimensioning it unless and until we get a complete black sketch, which means that it's fully constrained. Now what else? So $105 is not required. 75 is mentioned. So we'll just click on the escape key. We're just going to drag and see what is missing. Okay, so I got an idea. So it should be, here it is 10 and here it is 10, so this should be 20. What else? Now this also need to be set, right? So this is 135. Okay, looks like we'll do one thing. We'll just draw a center line here, and we'll do another center line from the center, and what we'll do is, let me just move that and create the center line from here to here. And now press escape, select this point and this line and go for midpoint. Click on the tick mark. So now try to move the sketch now. You can still see that it's moving up and down, right? So what you can do is select this line here and go for horizontal. And now if you see that, you'll be able to see that the sketch is fully constrained. So now I'll explain you what or why I have created a line here. So basically what I've done is I have drawn a full length line from the top to bottom and then taken a midpoint from that line and then drawn another line here which is horizontal and used that point to be the midpoint of this line. So this line was independent. So now this line is dependent on the endpoint of this axis line. So that's the basic thing. And the reason why I was initially searching for the dimension or the length of this, but it was not given. So when in this kind of situation, we would be in a position to assume that this is a symmetric geometry. Now as we have completed this sketch, we'll go to exit sketch and let's go for extrude boss and base. And as usual, it's a good practice to do it on both sides, that is 45 by 45. So that's 90. And we can see that there is certain holes which are symmetric. So doing it on doing the extrude on both sides would definitely help us to mirror it or reduce or save some steps of creating extra planes. Now we have to create this portion here, right? So we'll just select this face and go for the sketch, and we'll just simply create a corner rectangle, and this should be radius 20, right? So it should be 40. Double enter, exit the sketch now, and then go for feature, extrude boss and base, and the overall height will be 45 plus 20, right? So it will be 65. I think 65 was not taken this time, so yeah, it's taken. Now we can select the edge, as I've previously or in the starting I've explained you. You can take the edge and go for the edge fillet and give the radius as 20. Double enter to confirm that. And also we can just select this face and go for the sketch and create another circle and give the circle radius as 10 or diameter as 20. Exit the sketch now and then go for features, extrude and cut, and you can give up to next. Double enter to confirm that. Now we have almost a basic shape here. Now what we're going to do is select this face here and then create the holes. Smart dimension that will be of diameter 12, as you can see in the drawing, and let's place that hole at 37, right? Not 37, 20, at a height of how much? It will be displayed somewhere. Yeah, you can see that it's 105, right? So overall is 135, this is 105. So if you subtract this, then it will be 30, so it should be 15 from 15 from this edge. Okay, now exit the sketch, and then you can go for up to next, click on the tick mark, and you have it. Now you can simply select this hole here and go for mirror, and we can select the front plane, click on the tick mark, and this is what I was talking in the beginning. So this plane, as I've done extrude on both sides, this plane was already there, so I don't have to create an extra plane. But if I have to mirror it over here, if I have to mirror these two holes, then I'll have to create another plane here. So as we can see, the total length is 135, so I'll just select the face here and then go for reference geometry, go for the plane, and flip offset, and I'll go for 135 divided by 2 and click on the tick mark. Now go for cut extrude and the mirror, and then go for the plane here. Oops, this one, cut extrude and the mirror, and then go for the mirror option, select the mirror and plane as this and click on the tick mark, and that has mirrored the hole over there. Now we're going to create this support, right? So we can create that by going to the front plane and creating a sketch on the front plane. I'll just simply draw a line outwards over here and select this and this line here and go for convert entities, click on exit sketch, and then you can simply go for extrude boss and base, and 3 on both sides will do. So we have that created over there. So there is a slight confusion on this because let me just see, if I select this and this, convert entities, and if I just check the length, it's 42, right? It's here, it is 37. So 5, I have to move 5, right? Okay, so exit the sketch here, go for this, go for extrude boss and base, and here on this direction you can add another 5 plus 5, and here you can subtract another 5 minus 5. Okay, so this doesn't happen, right? Launch result. Okay, we'll do one thing. We don't have to confuse ourselves. We'll just select both of these and go for delete. Yes, and let that sketch be there. It's okay. So as we know that it is 37 from here, so we'll just select this face here and go for reference geometry, create a plane, and we'll give 37 offset, flip offset, click on the tick mark. Now I'll just go for the plane and go for sketch and simply select this sketch, go for convert entities, click on exit sketch, and now you can simply go for extrude boss and base and reverse direction. You can simply give 6, double enter. The previous method that I was trying by giving minus values used to work in CATIA, but it's not working in this. It's fine, doesn't matter. I'll just hide whatever is not bothering me. So now you can simply select that boss and then go for mirror and select the plane that I've previously created, click on the tick mark, and that has been mirrored. So I think I have, no, there is one thing missing here, that is the support here. So you have to see, okay, it is coming in the center, so it doesn't matter. So you can just simply select this plane here, go for the sketch, and simply start a sketch from here, drag it, select these edges, go for convert entities, use extend entities and extend this, and select this line and this line here, control and control select that, and then you can click on the tangent and it will be having a tangent constraint applied, and then go for trim entities and trim these portions, and finally exit the sketch and go for features, extrude boss and base, and you can give 3 on both sides, double enter will confirm that, and that's it. So we have the model completed. So if you have any doubts on this, you can comment below the video, or you can write to me at katia.producer for any special requests. Thank you so much, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, and also hit the bell icon if you would like to get regular updates. Thank you and stay tuned.